Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Quick Guides. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward process: how to transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Binance in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or just want a quick refresh, this guide will help you do it securely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Trust Wallet app installed on your device and that you have some USDT in your wallet. Open the app, navigate to your wallet dashboard, and select the USDT token. It's crucial to double-check that you're on the correct network. Options like BEP20 or ERC20 can affect speed and fees, so choose wisely based on what Binance supports. Next, switch over to the Binance platform. Log into your Binance account, head to the Wallet section, and click on Deposit for USDT. Binance will generate a unique wallet address for you. Pro tip: always verify the network matches the one in your Trust Wallet to avoid any transfer issues or lost funds. Now, copy that Binance wallet address. Be extra careful here to prevent any typos. Go back to Trust Wallet, tap on Send in your USDT wallet, and paste the address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, and take a moment to review everything: the address, the amount, and the network. Once you're confident, hit the Send button. You'll see a confirmation screen with details like transaction fees. Make sure you're okay with those before proceeding. Confirm the transaction, and voila, it's on its way. The transfer time can vary from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's complete, log back into Binance and check your USDT balance to confirm it arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Just give it some time and double-check your transaction history. And there you have it. Your USDT is now safely in Binance. Remember, always prioritize security by using two-factor authentication and verifying addresses. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.